So this is my home studio space, which is my basement, which is unfinished. I just bought this house and I've been moving and I have not quite gotten all of the construction finished, but this is where I do all of my desk work and drawing work, sketches. All my supplies are in here, but the lighting is terrible, so for painting I actually go into, there's a little garage and I'll show you that. So in the other part of the basement there's this garage space which has much better lighting, and I can roll the door up, which is nice. But also has this great overhead lighting that you can turn on. So this is another little studio space that I use for painting. So I kind of hop back and forth. So this is my home away from home studio space. Here is where I pull up reference images. Sometimes I'll pull them up on the big screen. Here I have some paint brushes, and then I also have works in progress, what I put on either an easel or on this metal door here. So these are some of my studies. I'm doing them in phases. I've got like underpaintings, and then I'll go in and add some more. But anyway, yeah, this is my second studio space. This is my classroom.